So, I have a Briggs and Stratton engine, 10 horsepower. I started it up, ran for about 10 seconds, then it just stopped. So, it's got a brand new coil on it, ignition coil. There was no spark on it. I thought, okay, brand new, it's only 1 month old, and I thought, don't say that's gone already. So put brand new spark plug in, no spark, there was no spark on it. So I took the kill switch off here, then I had a spark on it. So then they put it back together, there's a spark and no spark on the ignition key side. So there's a spark there which is working. So I've checked down here, so I undone the football bolt here, so there's petrol going through as well. This won't fire up. It does fire when you put petrol down there. I'll show you what it's doing. So let's put this on choke like this, it won't fire. So you do this, take it off choke, it won't fire up. So I'm going to put some petrol down in there now, and it will fire up. So be careful of the splashes. So let's go down here, let's go away from here. It stops. That's without no choke. I'll show you again with the choke on. So let's put some more down here. Let's put the choke on now. Choke is on. Stop, restart, and choke. Then cuts out again. So what is it? So I put a brand new petrol filter in, so there's no blockage from the tank, so that's all working. It's going through the petrol filter and it's going through the carburetor. The choke lever is working down here. Yep, that's working as well, which I can see from here. Let's have a look. Well, not quite on. Okay, just bent the lever a little bit. Let's have a look now. No, okay, let's go about here. So it's 4 o'clock now, so let's put some more petrol in. So after you check that lever down there. So, but it should have started. So a little bit down here. Let's restart it. So it's on 4 o'clock now. Let's restart. Then does that. So I know the truck is working. And there's petrol in the carburetor. But it sounds like the carburetor to me. But sometimes it's not the carburetor what causes this problem. Is it the brand new coil on it can cause it? I don't think it is. If there's a spark and it starts, it's not the coil. It can't be, because it starts. Without putting no petrol in, it won't start. By putting petrol down through the air filter, it starts. So that tells me there's something wrong from that point there. So if you've got a spark, it's got a nice blue spark, so that should start. So there's something wrong. It sounds like there's getting no petrol, but there's petrol going through into the carburetor. So what I may have to do is, yes, a nut there, and there's a nut on that side there, and there's another nut bolt down here. Or yes, I'm going to take the float ball off. And is it the float not allowing enough petrol go in? That can be stuck where the needle is, but there's petrol coming through. When they turn it off like this, have I got my spanner? So if I undo, it's getting dark out here now, so if I undo that, it's, yeah, let's see, we've got petrol coming through. Is there enough petrol going through? Yeah, so look, there's petrol coming through. So the tap is off now. If I turn it back on, okay. So I don't think it's the float. So that should start that. Turn it back off. So is it the carburetor? Is it the coil? It's not the spark plug, it's brand new. But it sounds a bit strange. It was running for 10 seconds, then just stopped. So what would you do yourself? Would you take the car off, give it a clean, see what's going on? Would you change the coil over? And will you put another brand new spark plug in there? Please comment down below, what would you do yourself? Thank you for listening and watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.